Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In previous video, I have already shown you how to set up the MongoDB and MongoDB Compass as well. So in this video, I will show you how to create a databases and collection using MongoDB Compass client. So for creating the databases and collection, we need to open our MongoDB Compass. That is a client which is interacted with the MongoDB server. So let's go to our desktop. In the desktop, you can see MongoDB Compass is appear. Click this MongoDB Compass icon, then it will open. Let's wait until it is not open. Yeah, now it is open. Just click connect button. Currently, it is refusing the connection. I think our MongoDB server is not running. So first we need to check our MongoDB server is running or not. So as previous video, I I had already told you how to check the MongoDB server is running or not. So let's go to our CMD. So I'm pressing Window and R. Here we need to type services.msc and click open button. Click OK button. Now here we need type mo. Then you will see MongoDB server is appear and top up. You can see in the status field right now it is not running and it is stopped. So we need to run it. There is a start icon. You can see here start text. So we need to click this one. Now I'm going to click start text. It will take some times for starting the MongoDB server. Let's wait until it is not running. Yeah, now it is running. You can check by tapping Mongo. You can see here MongoDB is running in the status. So let's go to our MongoDB Compass and click the connect button. Now it is connected. So for creating the collection, we need to click in local host colon 27017. Here you can see one plus icon appear. Click this icon. After clicking this, first first input you need to add the database's name. Like we are going to add database's name as a db test. Now in the collection, we need to add the collection name like anything. We are going to add collection name as a employee. Now click the create databases. After clicking this one, you will see collection will appear. This is a DB text is a databases and employee is a collection. In this collection, we need to add the data. Like in SQL, you remember that after creating the databases, we need to create the table. In the MongoDB, here after creating the databases, we need to create the collection. So this is a collection, employee collection. So for adding the data, we need to click add data button. Here you will see import the JSON or CSV file. If already data is there in your system, you can import the data. The data is JSON or CSV, it will support. So right now I don't have any JSON or CSV data. So I'm going to insert document icon. So clicking this one here, this is a ID. ID will automatic generate if we are not providing any primary and primary key. So I'm going to add one thing like emp name. Here we are passing the employee name like John and employee ID like emp ID. Here we are going to adding 409940388. Let's go to add location as well. In the location, we are going to add US. Then after that, you need to click insert button. All the data is supported in JSON format. You can see in this here. So I'm going to click insert button. After clicking the insert button, this data will inserted in our collection employee. So let's click this insert button. Now you can see this data is appear here. You can also add next data as well in here. So I'm going to add one more data as well. So here we are going to add as well one another data, employee name. Here we are going to add Smith, employee ID. We are going to add 24978, 354784. Now let's go to add location as well. So location we are going to add as a UK. Now click the insert button. So there is two data you can appear here. You can add more data one by one by using MongoDB Compass. So if you want to update the data, then you just click update button. In here you you need to you need to just you need to just update the data, which data you want to update. In updating two columns or one columns, you can also define. Otherwise you need to define the particular employee data, which data you need to update. So here I'm going to add edit button. I'm going to updating this data. So let's go to add look update the location as US to EUS Australia and clicking update button. Now now it is Australia. Location is Australia. John John employee is belongs in Australia. You can also delete the data as well by clicking this icon. Remove this document. If I'm going to click this one, then it will delete. So right now I'm not going to delete this one, so I'm going to cancel it. So in this video, I have shown you how to create the databases and collections. Also insert the data into that collection as well. In upcoming video, I will show you how to delete, update the data, and also create the collection using CMD as well. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel so that you can get the further update in upcoming session. Thank you.